Hi everyone, my name is Victoria, this is my dog toy poodle Leta, and today we are doing review on this cool Halloween costume. I will send this product for review. This is size small, she's 5 pounds toy poodle. Wow, I love the material, it's actually very soft on touch. Oh my god, looks so cute. Alright, Leta, let's try it. I know, baby chica. I know. Yep. Legs. One. You little dinosaur. Yeah, you dino. So cute. Oh my god. I know. Yep. One. Easy to put on actually. Let me see the head. Wow, I know, you have so many hair, Leta. And I love these two holes for her ears. It actually looks so cute, Leta. Leta. Size small, fits perfectly. Great soft material. I love the design. It fits perfectly. I think this will be best idea for your dog on Halloween time. I will definitely recommend you can buy this beautiful costume on Amazon.